Online kids education. Name of birds. E for eagle. This is a eagle. R for rooster. This is a rooster. P for peacock. This is a peacock. C for crow. This is a crow. P for parrot. This is a parrot. P for pigeon. This is a pigeon. O for owl. This is a owl. S for swan. This is a swan. B for bat. This is a bat. O for ostrich. This is a ostrich. W for woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. D for dove. This is a dove. C for crane. This is a crane. K for kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. D for duck. This is a duck. R for robin. This is a robin. G for gull. This is a gull. T for turkey. This is a turkey. H for hornbill. This is a hornbill. Please like and subscribe my channel.